Is your Windows 10 or 11 computer acting funny? Are you having issues at Windows startup? Do your apps crash or throw strange error messages at you? Well, don't panic. Windows has a built-in time machine to navigate moments like this. It's called System Restore, and today I'll show you how to use it to recover your Windows computer from many of the issues you may run into. So let's get to it. System Restore lets you roll back your system settings, drivers, and Windows system files back to a previous good working state without losing your personal files. It's like a rewind button for your Windows operating system. And yes, it works on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. I recommend making a manual restore point monthly or possibly more often if you're a heavy user that makes a lot of changes on your PC. First, you'll want to ensure that System Restore is enabled and active on your computer. Let's go look at how to check this on Windows 10. In your search bar, type System. You can also access System via the control panel. Next, click System Protection on the right side. Under the protection settings, we'll want to check that the protection is turned on for your local disk drive. If protection is not turned on, click Configure, select Turn on System Protection, and click OK. Now, let's also look at how to check this on Windows 11. Again, in your search bar, type System. You can also access System via the control panel in Windows 11. Next, click System Protection in the center. Under the protection settings, we'll want to check that the protection is turned on for your local disk drive. Again, if protection is not turned on, click Configure, select Turn on System Protection, and click OK. Now that we've double-checked that System Restore is enabled on your machine, let's create a System Restore point. To do that in Windows 10, in your search bar, type System Restore and select Create a Restore Point. Click Create and give this restore point a description. Something like CleanOS or pre-major updates will help you down the road to identify what point in time you're potentially rolling back to. Once named, go ahead and click Create. When the restore point is successfully created, you can hit Close. Let's create a restore point in Windows 11 too, so you can see it firsthand. To do that in Windows 11, it's the same as Windows 10. Type System Restore in your search bar and select Create a Restore Point. Click Create and give it a description. Click Create. Click Close. If System Restore is enabled and active, Windows will make its own restore points automatically from time to time. But please remember to create manual System Restore points often as Windows tends to drop any restore points older than 90 days. Okay, so you've created your System Restore points and you're making them often. Great, but now you actually need to use them to return your computer back to a working state. So let's look at a few ways you can access these restore points and how to use them. Your first option, if you can still get into Windows, is to type Recovery into your search bar and select Recovery. Then click Open System Restore. Click Next. Now check the Show More Restore Points box so we can see all of your valid restore points. Select your desired restore date description to revert back to and click Next. When you're ready to start the restore, click Finish. Windows will prompt you once again to confirm that you want to roll back to the selected date. Your PC will restart and walk through the restore process. The time it takes to complete depends on several factors, so your restore may complete in 5 minutes or 55 minutes. Every PC will be different. I'll also mention that you can use these steps here in Windows 10 or Windows 11 to start a restore. Once the restore is completed, you should get a message that the restore was successful. You can click Close and check if everything is back as desired. If the restore wasn't successful or it didn't correct your issues, you could reattempt the process again using a different date or restore point. As another option, let's look at how to use System Restore if your Windows can't start. So if you're seeing a Windows automatic repair screen at startup, let's go ahead and click on Advanced Options. Then click Troubleshoot. Now click Advanced Options and select System Restore. You'll choose your user account Enter your password if you have one and click Continue. Now we're back to the familiar System Restore window we showed earlier. Again, you can select your desired restore date and walk through the process to hopefully repair your startup issues successfully. Lastly, we have one more method to access System Restore if your computer cannot start Windows. With this option, we'll boot your computer into your bootable Windows USB if you have one. If you don't have one, check out this video where we'll help you create one to use for scenarios just like this. I'll also put a link to the video down below. Plug in your bootable Windows USB and access your computer's boot menu at startup. You can usually do this by pressing a function key at startup. By pressing F2, F10, F12, or even the escape key at startup, it gains access to your computer's boot menu. Here you can again access the same advanced troubleshooting features that lead us to System Restore as before. To recap, we've quickly looked at how to create a Windows System Restore point in Windows 10 and 11, plus a few options on how to use System Restore in the event your PC acts up. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you now feel more confident in using Windows System Restore. If this helped you, please consider smashing that like button and subscribing for more Windows tips. It really is a great way to support the channel. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye, everybody.